Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're looking at the difference between beside and besides. What's the difference between beside and besides? One S? They're totally different words and we use them in completely different ways. Let's look at the difference. Beside with no S is a preposition. It means next to. Example, where is the mirror? The mirror is next to the door, or the mirror is beside the door. Where's the coat rack? The coat rack is beside the door. Let's practice. Where is the mirror?
The mirror is beside the door.
And where is the clock?
The clock is beside the door too.
And where is the umbrella?
The umbrella is beside the door too.
Very good. Where is the mirror? And where is the clock? And where is the umbrella? Very good. Besides, with an S, besides is completely different. Besides means in addition to. We can use it as an adverb. For example, do you like any other music besides classical? No, I only like classical music. I don't like any other music besides classical. Let's practice. Do you like any other music besides classical?
No, I don't like any other music besides classical.
Does she like any other music besides classical? Very good. We can also use besides as a conjunction. For example, when you give reasons. I don't want to go out tonight. You give reasons. Why not? It's late, I'm tired, and besides, it's raining. So it's when you give one more reason, we use besides as a conjunction to connect the ideas. So example, I don't want to go out tonight. It's dark, I'm tired, and besides, it's raining. You give one more reason. Let's practice. Do you want to go out tonight?
No, I don't want to.
Why not?
It's late, I'm tired, and besides, it's raining.
Does she want to go out tonight? Why not? That's right, it's raining. Good job. So remember, beside and besides are completely different. They're used in different ways.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to improve your vocabulary and practice speaking more, subscribe to our channel and keep watching.